Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thank you for clicking and watching. Today I'm going to be planning a little something different. This is my first time doing a daily plan with me in my Bloom daily planner. And this is the Notes, Goals, and To-Dos planner. This is a daily undated planner that I received from a giveaway of theirs from 2019. And so I use this every day at work, and that's why I was showing you the last time I used it was on March 20th, because that was the day that I was laid off. So I'm going to show you how I use this planner every day, or how I used to use it every day, and I'm going to start using it again to help me kind of, keep my focus for the day and stay on track with my goals. So I'm going to start by writing the date and today's date, and then I plan out my breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks because I am on Weight Watchers. So I am trying to, I need to watch my points, and it really helps me if I have a plan for what I'm going to be eating, because otherwise I'll probably just kind of eat whatever and snack way too much. Then in the exercise / self-care section, I just put walk 10,000 steps because that's what I try to do every single day. And in the today I'm grateful for, I just put having all of my senses. I just try to find any little thing, big or small, whatever, just to be grateful for. And I was like listening to the birds chirping outside as I was thinking of what to be grateful for today. And it made me think, I'm so glad that I can hear that. And then I thought, you know what? I'm so glad for all of my senses. So that's why I chose that for today. Then I go straight to the to-do list and I start just checking off all the things I need to do. I try to keep it in order. So I needed to like pick up my son's school lunch and film this daily plan with me and edit this plan with me. I'm going to need to go for my walk, my little morning walk. And then I need to take a break for lunch, and we need to make a trip to Walgreens. And so anyways, I'll plan that all out. And then I will also try to time block it. So I want to walk for an hour, and then lunch will be about 45 minutes. And then Walgreens should take like half an hour. So I'll time block it, and then that way I can try to stick to those times. And also it kind of gives me an idea of even if I have time to do certain things, because if I have so much stuff going on, then I can't even have time to do it all, and I can't do it. Then from there, I'll pick what are my top priorities, and I'll put, those up at the top. Sometimes I'll have more than 3, but for today, I just wanted to make sure that we focused on going to Walgreens, since we do need to get some essential things there, and then working on the closet and the living room, because those are those tasks that we've been focusing on, my husband and I, while both of us are unemployed, like cleaning up the house and working on making the house, just better, when we never had time to do that before. So I want to focus on those 3 things for today. Those are my top 3 priorities. And then there's also a little section down there that says notes and ideas, which I don't always put something there, but today it is my cousin's birthday. So I just wanted to put a little reminder there that it's her birthday, and so I should text her and wish her happy birthday. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos and miss tomorrow's video. Give it a like, a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below if you have any questions. Otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care, y'all. Bye.